Hello viewers, welcome to my channel DV Zealand NMMS exam preparation SAT 80th video. Class 8 Social Studies Chapter 13 The Indian Constitution Part 2. Question number 1. In the Constituent Assembly, the objectives resolution was moved by. Correct answer Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 2. Every word spoken in the Constituent Assembly has been recorded and preserved. These are called. Correct answer Constituent Assembly debates. Question number 3. Who of the following was not a member of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 4. Who said this? I shall strive for a constitution which will release India from all thraldom and patronage. I shall work for an India in which the poorest shall feel that it is their country, in whose making they have an effective voice. Correct answer Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 5. On the 26th of January 1950, we are going to enter life of contradictions. In politics, we will have equality, and in social and economic life, we will have inequality. Who said this? Correct answer Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 6. Who gave his famous speech to the Constituent Assembly? The service of India means the service of the millions who suffer. It means the ending of poverty and ignorance and disease and inequality of opportunity. Correct answer Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 7. The short statement of basic principles and objectives of the Indian Constitution is. Correct answer the preamble. Question number 8. The people of India decided or resolved as written in their constitution to achieve the following objective. Correct answer both A and B. To constitute India into a republic, to secure to all its citizens justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Question number 9. The country in which the head of state is an elected person and not a hereditary position, as in a kingdom, is known as. Correct answer republic. Question number 10. The government that will not be run on the basis of any religion or will not favor any religion is known as. Correct answer secular country. Question number 11. The form of government where people enjoy equal political rights, elect their representatives to make laws and run the government and hold the representatives accountable is known as. Correct answer democracy. Question number 12. Which of the following types of justice is not secured to all the citizens of India? Correct answer, environmental. Question number 13. Which of the following statement is correct? Correct option. Constitution determines the relationship between people and government. Question number 14. Identify incorrect statement from the following. The incorrect statement is the constitution cannot be changed under any circumstances. Question number 15. In the statement, the ambition of the greatest man of our generation has been to wipe every tear from every eye. Who was Jawaharlal Nehru referring to? Correct answer, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 16. Match the union ministers who signed on the original copy of Constitution of India with their portfolios. Correct answer, 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B. Jairam Das Daulatram, Food and Agriculture. Rajkumari Amrut Kaur, Health. Dr. John Mathai, Finance. Jagjivan Ram, Labor. Question number 17. Which of the following is a directive principle of state policy? Correct answer, all the above. Universalizing literacy and education, protection of environment, reducing income inequality. Question number 18. Till 2013, our constitution has been amended dash times. Correct answer, 99 times. Question number 19. Which of the following institutions is not an independent one? Correct option, Planning Commission. Question number 20. Who supervises the expenditure of the governments? Correct answer, Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Question number 21. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected by. Correct answer, the state assemblies. Question number 22. Which of the following refers to a sense of bonding and unity among all people? Correct answer, fraternity. Question number 23. Which of the following refers to no unreasonable restrictions on the citizens in what they think, the religion they wish to follow, how they wish to express their thoughts? Correct answer, liberty. Question number 24. Our constitution does not promise equality in dash respect. Correct option, income or property. Thank you for watching this video. Let us meet with the next video. Thank you.